Today we'll discuss about the SAP file systems. Then after that we'll discuss about the kernel upgrade here. SAP file systems. So whenever we do the SAP installation, any SAP installation, it will create the OS level, some directory structure will be created. OS level, some directory structure will be created here. OS level, some directory structure will be created here. So whenever you create a, so whenever you done the SAP installation. So that file system structure is for backbone for the SAP. Backbone means how the backbone is very important for us, same as like for SAP also, the backbone is very important here. So here what we have to do, so like what are the file systems we have to consider and which are the most important. If any issues, any troubleshooting, anything, so these are the file systems we need to consider, right? So what are those file systems here, right? So there is a USR SAP is the default file system. Then there is a SID will be created. Yours is the NWD. Then NWD file system will be created here. USR SAP. Then NWD file system will be created here. So suppose ND4, NWD, CD, EC4, whatever it may be, there is a file system will be folder will be created. Under this, we have sys folder. Then we have the instance number folder, sys and the instance number. Then we have the ASCS instance number here, right? Sys the instance number and ASCS instance number, the file system structure will be created here. The instance number, ASCS instance number, sys file systems, these three will be created here, right? So suppose if you see here at the operating system level, so when you go to the our SAP here, you can see, so yeah, here USR, SAP, then SID, the file systems are there here. Suppose if you take the NWD, so then sys is the one of the file system, then D instance numbers, D, suppose like if you have the three applicant servers, then three applicant servers related profiles here, then ASCS related profiles. So we have it here, right? So based upon that, we have the file systems are there here, right? ASCS, D instance number, D2022. So we have the file systems are there here, right? So here in each individual application server, if you go for one more application server, then D to one more application server, one more instance number, one more application server instance number will be, there is a folder system structure will be created here, right? Here under the sys here always, so there is a subfolders will be called the sys profile, right? Sys global, sys profile, and sys exe directory, sys exe directory here. So they are the three main folders under the sys here: profile, global, and exe executable directories here, right? So what it contains here, the profiles contains the profile directory. In this directory contains the profiles. The profiles concept we heard in the concept in the time of RZ10, RZ11, right? Yes, right, exactly. Your assumptions are correct. So in the RZ10, RZ11, when you change the profiles and parameters, so same files will be reflected here, right? It will be changed at the operating system level, same files only here in the RZ10 and RZ11 here, right? So profiles here, here also we have the profiles are available here. If you see here, so sys, under the sys we have the profile directory here. Here we have the profiles. You can see the profiles here. So here you can see the profiles. All the profiles are available here. All the profiles, default profile, instance profile, how many instances you have. You have the instance profile, then ASCS profile. Here the profiles are available here, right? So normally here also we can change it. One more way, in case of SAP system is not up. So in case SAP system is up, we can log into the SAP system, then we can do the changes here. We can log into the SAP system, we can perform the changes here, right? So we can go to the here. Suppose if anything system configuration you want to change it, you can go to the RJ10. So here, so you can just change the, go to the RJ10. Then here we can change the profile parameters, right? All the profile parameters we have changed it here. All the profile parameters. So we have changed it here. All the profile parameters, just to select the any one of the profile which you want to change it. So here we are changing. How we are getting this one means, so the related files are available at operating system level. So these are the files you can see here. These are the files are available. So here this is reading from them. If you change from here, it is changing. So otherwise, you can also come to the here. You can open in the text mode. You can also directly do the changes of the profile parameters from here itself. You can directly do the changes here. Here itself, you can directly do the changes here. Not only from there, from here also you can do the changes. So, but here it is the secondary, the primary, the main recommendation is RG10, RZ11 only we have to change it. So here, in case of SAP system is not up, so then we have to come to the here, then we need to change the profile parameter. In case of, we have to come to the here, then we have to do the changes in the profile parameters. We have to do the changes here, right? This is the profile directory. So SAP system, while starting the SAP system, always it read the profiles, always it read the profiles, right? Always it read the profiles, then only it will proceed further here. So while starting the SAP system, the reading the profiles are very important here. It will read the profiles, then only SAP will be up. So that's why this file system, some of the folders are the very backbone. Global directory. The global directory contains the job logs, spool logs, some of the system security related settings are available. So global directory contains, so here the profiles contains profiles. Global directory contains job logs, job logs, job logs, then spool logs and security settings. Security settings, some of the security settings are available under the global directory. Sometimes you may get the interview point of time cross questions. So can you tell me the at operating system level where the job logs are available? At operating system level, where the job logs are available here, where the job logs are available here. So here you can say under the global directory, we have the job logs and spool logs are available here. So then exe, this is the actual very important folder. Exe means kernel folder. And then one more name is called the executable folder. So here all the executable files are available. Whenever SAP system is installing, it will create the some file systems here. It will create the some file systems here. That is called the executable files. Executable files here. So sys exe here the executable files are available here. Sys exe here all the executable files are available here. All the executable files are available here. Right? All the executable files are available in this case here. We can see it here, right? So that is the executable file system here, right? So then see here all the executable is if the SAP system is running fine because of the sysexe. So here all the binaries are there. All the binaries are there. So these all are the .dll files. So and if NQ server is running fine, SAP server is running fine. So then work process are running fine. You are able to log into the system means because of the OS level, this respect to applications, right? Respect to binaries are there. Respect to binaries are there. That's why you are able to see the, so this binaries, you are able to see the binaries here, right? That is the one important thing here. Binaries, OS level binaries here, right? So then here you can see it here, binaries DLL files here. So these are the very important here. These are the some important file systems here, right? This under the sys. Sys, we have the important file systems, exe, global, yeah, this one. In case of sys directory, some files are deleted, or profile directory, some files are deleted or something. So your SAP system, it won't start. So SAP system is not starting means first of all, we need to look at the kernel directory. So whether the all the files, all the kernels, first of all, kernel directory is exist or not. So if the kernel is exist, you can see all the kernel files here exist. So then one of the reason will be SAP kernel will be uncorrupted or something. One of the reason here. Then profile directory. If the profile directory is missed out, SAP system also it won't start it here. So this file system structure is very important for the SAP. Normally, we can only know, we can log into the GUI, so then we can work on the systems and we can work on. So SAP system is up and running means because of this backend file systems here. Because of this backend file systems here. The next one is called the D instance number here. Here we have the data folder, then so data folder, then sec folder, so we have the log folder, then we have the work directory, very important directory. So right, so D instance number, work directory, log, sec, data. So yeah, these are the very important here, right? So if you go to the any one of the D instance number means application server instance number. So one more directory also called called the exe. Exe. So exe means are how many locations? Here see, here we have the exe, here we have the exe. In the sys we have the exe, and D instance number we have the exe here. So means, so here also same executable files. So exe is available in three locations here. One is the sysexe, D instance number exe. Then the same concept here, it is available here in the, so this is also data, tech folder, log, work, exe directory here. So these locations, our directory structure will be, these locations it is available here. These locations it is available here, right? So you can see here data, exe, log, sec, work directory here, right? So these are the folders are very important here. So data contains stats files, statistics file. So some statistics files, some trace files, it is available here. Statistics file means some history files, statistics related files are available here. Some calculations, history, statistics files are available. So data folder. So if you delete also, nothing will happen. This is the just now unimportant file system. But what will be stored here in the data folder? Some statistics files will be stored here. Statistics files will be stored here, right? We go to the D instance number, log. Log means the traces, the alerts, the traces will be stored here, auditing related log files. So the alerts, so all will be stored here. All will be stored in this log file here, the auditing related files and everything. So it will be stored into the file system level here, right? This is also much, but here exe means same kind of executable files here. Whatever we have seen in the sysexe, whatever we have seen in the exe, so whatever we have seen in the exe, same files are available here. Same files are available here. Executable exe directory here. Okay, there is a exe directories here. Exe directory. Both are same. Both are all of the available, but three locations it is. Why? Because that is the global. Here it is available as a global exe directory. This is the local exe directories here. Okay, local exe directories here. So local exe directory. Then this all are the, so sec means this is the certificates, like PSCs related certificates are available here. PSC certificate, system certificates are available here. So the most important file system is here work directory. Work directory here. This is one of the troubleshooting directory. This is one of the troubleshooting directory here. So where, so this is one of the troubleshooting directory. So here all the work process related log files are available here. All the work process related log files are available in the so in this directory here, trace directory here, right? So that is the trace directory here. So work process related, so files here, work process related files are available here. Just 1 minute. Yeah, sorry guys. So this is the one of the important directory structure. Important directory structure here. So here all the log files are available in this file system structure here. So in SAP level, something is happening. So all the work process related. Normally, if you go to the SM50, so here we can see the all the work process related information. How many work process are there? So like dialog, how many BTC, how many, like what is the work process number, right? Here is the work process number here. So here all the work process related log files here. Suppose like, so the work process number, the work developer 0, then dev underscore dot process 0, then dev underscore work process number 1. So write that dev underscore dev underscore the log files will starts with the dev underscore the log files will starts here. So dev underscore dispatcher, CP event, ICM, RD gateway, RFC related log files here, right? So and also work process number 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all the work process related log files are gateway related files are available here. So all the log files are available here. All the log files are available here. So this is the one of the important directory where you need to start the information, where you need to start the troubleshooting. If the SAP system is not coming up, SAP system is down. So the main one of the troubleshooting directory is called this is the one. Here is the place we need to check and we need to find out the what causing the issue. So why SAP system is not up. So this directory, work directory is the very important here. Here you can see the available dot log file here. So here it will give the clear information here when the system is available, when it is not available. So all the information it is available here with at what time it is down, unavailable from here to here, available from here to here, available from here to here. So like that, it will give the clear information. Like that, it will give the clear information of the systems and everything here, right? So this is the available dot log file here. So like that, we have the suppose you some work process number 0. It's some kind of job is running. We need to know what is happening here. Then if you open the work process number 0, the log file, see it here while starting the work process itself, it will reading the profile directory. Sys SID, this profile directory it is reading here. So then kernel directory, everything will be written into the file systems here, right? Everything will be written into the file systems here. Everything will be written into the file systems here. Failure to all the file systems are available here. You can see the everything is available here. Work directory, in the work directory it is available are those things here, right? So you can see the Java underscore RD is like a gateway related log files here. If any issues with the gateway, if you open this log file, so it will give the clear information here. RD gateway related things. So SAP level, something is wrong, something is not working, then you need to go to the work directory. Here, you have to clearly check the issues, what's happening with the SAP and all those things we need to clearly check it out here, right? That is what we have to do it in the work directory. Okay, work directory here. So remaining folders are not that much important and then we never work on these folders here, right? Only rare cases we will go and check it out. But main thing is the work directory and exe directories are very important here. At the same time, if we go to the any instance folder, any D instance folder, you have the same type of file system folders are available. Same file system folders are available here. If we go to the ASCS means so message server, NQ server. So only dev underscore NQ, dev underscore message server related files are available. So here we can check it out what's happening with the your message server, NQ server. So all the information you can see it here. So all the log files, so information, message server, how the load balancing, any issues, all the information, NQ server, NQ ADM. So all the information will be performed here. All the information will be performed here, right? ACS work directory. So data directory, ASCS data directory, then exe executable files and so executable files and here so all the exe files are there here. All the exe files are there here. Executable files and all the exe files are there here. Right? ASCS exe here. Right? So same ASCSCXC, same log files here. So same type of file system structure available under the ASCS or the instance number application servers, and ASCS instance or application server instance. Then sys. Sys is the one of the file system. Sys is the one of the file system here. So that is available here itself as well, right? So that is the file system structure here, right? So here the important file systems are exe and work directory are the important file systems here in the SAP level. If any issues with the SAP, this is one of the common troubleshooting directory to troubleshoot the issues. This is one of the common troubleshooting directory here. Okay. So this is the OS level SAP file systems here. Got it? Clear? So it is the SAP file systems. So sometimes they may ask you, can you tell me the work directory location? Then you need to tell like USR, SAP, SID, D instance number, work directory. So can you tell me the kernel directory locations? Sys exe, D instance number exe, and ASCS exe here. So what happens? So whenever any issues, how to troubleshoot it? We need to check the work directory logs. Then we have to start the troubleshooting the issues and everything here. So work directory logging procedure is the very important here. We have to log into the system work directory. We need to do the troubleshooting here. That is what we have to do it here. Okay. That is the SAP file systems related activities here. Got it? Clear, right? Anyone? Any questions? So this is one of the common directory. Don't ignore this directory, work directory. So same file system, suppose sir, I don't have access to the SAP level. I want to, how can I see the all the file system here? So in this case, SAP given the one transaction code that is called the AL11. AL11 is the transaction code. Here you can access the SAP level, all the directories you can access from here. AL11 is the transaction code here, AL11. So SAP directories, all the SAP directories are available. The log files also available here, right? So and also ST11 means here error log files here. ST11 means error log files here, ST11 error log files here. So here you have to open the log file. You have to open the log file and you need to see it here. You need to open the log file and you need to see the logs. Means directly it will open the ST11 means directly in the work directory log files. Work directory log files will be opened from here. Or sir, can I go ahead from here means yeah, you can also go to the A11. Just take the work directory log file. Then you can see the logs here, work directory log files and everything. You can see it here. So that is also possible, and this is also possible here. A11, ST11 are the transaction codes here. Okay. A11, ST11 are the transaction codes to access the data from the file system level. But we have the ST06 also. But ST06 is only for the CPU, how much CPU utilizations, memory utilizations, OS level utilizations, not the folders and logs checking here. Just you can see, observe it here, how many application servers you have here, then what is the CPU, memory, disk utilization, LAN, so all the previous hours history. So that history related information, we can see it here. History related information, we can see it from here. So that's it. Okay. So those are the things we can see it from here only. Okay. These are the ST06 and file system structures. So any